What's up everybody and welcome to another video. It's been a while, I'm glad to be back, but I'm back on YouTube, and in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing with you native ads, what they are, explaining them, how they work step by step, and also explaining to you why they are so profitable. So let's dive straight in. So before I get started with explaining to you exactly what a native ad is and why it is so profitable, if this is your first time on the channel, I'm always sharing videos about making money online, online business and entrepreneurship. And right now I am coaching and consulting for an agency specifically in native ads. So if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Ross Macfarlane, and if you do want to see more videos related to making money online, specifically right now with the traffic source native ads, make sure to subscribe below and hit the little bell icon so you get notified each and every time that I post a video. So let's dive straight in. What is a native ad? So as you can see here, I've got a couple of news websites here. Now that is what a native ad is. A native ad is designed to blend in to a news website. So it's like you're piggybacking the authority of the news website. So I've got this one here, theblaze.com. And what you'll find is there's so much traffic on these news websites that they sell basically places, widgets that they're called, to different ad exchanges. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be doing different videos on different ad exchanges and stuff, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you are getting started on native ads, or you are running native ads and want to know which exchange would be best for you, I am going to be doing introductory videos on some of those ad exchanges, so stay tuned. But for now, let's just focus on what a native ad is. So you're scrolling through, you're a user, you're scrolling through this news website and you can see news article, news article, news article, news article, and you'll be scrolling down and then you'll see here, just slightly, you'll see this little bit here that says sponsored. So this means it's actually an advertisement. Now this picture ad is designed to blend in with this website. But us as the affiliate, the goal is to actually make this image pop and stand out. So it's an eye catcher. So really what it is the image is the scroll stopper and the headline is for the click. So let's see which type of landing page. Now there's a few different types of landing pages or landers that is excuse me, used with native ads. Now you get stuff like advertorials or video sales letters. You can also direct link with native ads, which I know you can't do that on a lot of other traffic sources, which are getting a lot of ad accounts and stuff all blocked just now, which is why a lot of people are turning to native ads. But this one here is standing out. So the image is the scroll stopper and the headline is what gets the click. So Top Heart Surgeon, this simple trick helps empty your bowels every morning. Okay, so this is an ad, so let's go and see which type of lander or landing page that this is taking me through to. So this guy here looks like he is direct linking straight through to a VSL, a video sales letter. And this is why native ads can be so powerful, because you're using the authority of this website. So the user may, unknown to them or known to them, think that they're still reading a news article. They're taking through here, taking the authority of this website, and then they're reading this pre-sale page. That's why native ads can be so powerful and profitable, because you're taking cold traffic into warm traffic onto the pre-sale page, which is then turned into red hot traffic, which I'm assuming here next step will then take me through to an offer page, which I'm assuming, yeah, there we go here. So it's just doing like a little quiz, just to basically get some micro commitments there, which I'll also touch on later. But that's why native ads can be so powerful and so profitable. I'll show you a few other examples just while we're here. We've got another website, again, the Gateway Pundit, a website based in the US, huge amounts of traffic. So you've got people coming here, just could be on the train, on the tube, taking their daily commute, and they're just reading through news articles. They're finishing their work or whatever, reading news articles, as everyone goes online these days. Could be at their job and not really doing much, just skiving away from the boss. And they're looking down here, they're scrolling through, looking at news articles, and then what we'll find here is like advertisement. We'll see this little part here, advertisement. And it might tell you who the ad exchange is, and it says here, sponsored by Rev Content. So this is the ad exchange, which I will be looking at later. And here we've got here, Brits with chronic pain are doing this before bedtime, and surprisingly it works. So This here is an advertisement that's blending into the website, and we'll click through here and see what type of landing page or lander that this guy's using. So they're using an advertorial type landing page. So this is like a advertorial, like a news article basically. I'm probably going to read through here and all the way down. I'm going to find at the bottom, I'm probably going to find, yeah, here I go, here I'm going to find a link to go through to an offer page, a little bit more of pre-selling. Yep, a little bit more of pre-selling here. Tell me all the benefits and stuff. So the reader would read this news article, and then this would be doing the pre-selling for us, warming up the cold traffic, and then turning them into red hot buyers. So yeah, I would click through here, and then this would take me through to an offer page. And this is just an example. You get like huge sites, massive sites like MSN, all who are got different ad exchanges, and the compliance is a little bit different on these. But again, you'll just be scrolling through here, and then you'll see, is that there? Get recommended for you. And we'll see here again, these are all ads. Like there's different types of ads. You get like lead gen, you get like straight sales stuff, you get like cash on delivery, you get crypto, you get all different types of verticals, all different types of funnels. You get a lot of arbitrage, you get a lot of stuff like a lot of straight sale stuff that I think I already mentioned, and you get a lot of, there's one I'm trying to think of right now that just completely lost my mind, but it'll probably come back to me later. But what I'll do is I'll continue with the example, and we'll see here that this one is taking me through to an advertorial, the same as before. So this is doing the pre-selling. The user using this may think that they're still on msn.com, so you're piggybacking the authority of this website, and you're scrolling through, you're reading this article, and then this is some oral health type offer, which I'm assuming is going to have an offer page at the bottom here. So it's doing all the pre-selling, all the benefits of why you should buy this product, and then you can go there and check if this offer is available for you or not. So that is exactly what a native ad is. It's a picture ad displayed on a news website that is basically piggybacking the authority of the news article. So you're using that authority, and then you're kind of disguising, shall we say, yourself and pre-selling that way, and that's why native ads can be so powerful. Now, there is no ad accounts, there's no ad account bans with like native ads and stuff. Like if you're creating campaigns, which I'm going to show you how to do in future videos in the next few weeks, all you have to basically do is you just put it through compliance. If compliance say that it's not fit for you, it's not fit for this publisher, say for example, this publisher, they just tell you exactly what's wrong with the campaign, and you just fix it and then put it through compliance again, and it gets approved. There's no ad account bans, there's no like you have to be compliant with any what you say and what you don't say. The way that we teach and we coach at the agency that I'm currently freelancing for is that you be over aggressive with your ads, because if you're overly aggressive, then what they'll do is they'll just pin you back to that 100% aggressiveness, where you can then run your ads as aggressive as possible. So that is what a native ad is, and why they can be so powerful and so profitable. You do get different types of bidding models. You get like CPM, which is where you're paying for impressions per 1,000 impressions, or you get CPC. CPM being a little bit more beginner, which I will touch on in future videos, and you get CPC, which is more beginner intermediate. Both are highly effective, and both are very, very extremely profitable. That's why a lot of people are jumping over to native ads. So I hope you enjoyed this explanation of a native ad, what they are and how they can be so profitable. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm. And also, if you've got any comments, maybe you're running native ads at this moment in time, maybe you're running traffic on a different traffic source just now, and you're thinking of moving over because you're sick of the account bans, or you're sick of all the business manager account bans and all this kind of stuff that's happening just now. If you do want more information, make sure to leave a little comment below. I promise I'll get back to each and every single comment. Make sure to subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and I will catch you in the next video.